Good afternoon, sir. My name is Daniel Hidalgo, and this is my presentation. Mastering Laravel routing and controllers. So, questions number one: what is template inheritance in Blade, and how can it be used in a real-world application? The Laravel router acts as your application central receptionist, directing incoming web requests to the appropriate code. Every URL or user visit must have a defined route, mapping the URL and HTTP method like get or post to a specific action. This system effectively decoupled the URL from your underlying file structure, allowing for clean use, friendly URLs, and an organized code base without a route. You'll encounter a 400 for not found error. Decoupling URLs, clean URLs hidden structure. Centralized control, all traffic goes to the router. Error handling, no router, no joy. Question number 2. How can Blade section and yields be utilized to manage content in different views? Get versus post, the HTTP verbs. Get routes used for retrieving data safe and independent, meaning they don't change the application state. Think viewing a blog post, a, a user profile or contact from your address, book, bookmarkable and shareable, no side effect. Post routes used for submitting data to be processed or created. These requests are intended to create new resources or change the application state. Some submissions, creating new records, modifying data. Answer. Question number 3. How do Blade control structures make your code more readable compared to raw PHP? The role of controllers. A controller is a PHP class designed to handle a group of related web requests. It acts as the traffic cop in the model view controller, MVC pattern, separating your application concerns. Models interact with the database, etc. The presentation layer. Controller receives the request, interact with the model, and tells the view what to display. Question number 4. What is the purpose of the syntax in Blade and why it's important for security? Dynamic URLs with root parameters. Number 1. Define parameter, wrap name, and curly braces. User ID. In Langser. Question number 5. How can Blade components and slots be used to create testable UI elements? Root groups allow to apply common attributes to multiple routes at once. Embracing dry don't repeat yourself principle. They are invaluable for organization and security. Yun lang sir, yung mga example. Tapos yung ano pala sir.
Ano po yung concept, yung landing page po? Hindi sinamplified. Yay! Contact.
Loading
Portal.
portal.
Enroll now.
Enroll mo.
Ano
Yun lang po, sir.
Na all goods.